The viola's sound is truly unique in the bowed string instrument family. Because it can reach some of the high notes that a violin can, it can sometimes have a similar timbre to a violin. The viola's sound also reaches down into the cello range with its low C string. Our modern violas are much smaller than their older counterparts, and they have to be played with much more precise bow control than a violin to gather more sound and projection. Here's what the A string sounds like. Now the D string. The G string. And the C string.